Hello everyone, this is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin is Creative, I will be designing a card using the canvas Arches Dewdrop Creative Canvas and the fabulous dewdrops. Here I am taking the canvas Arches Dewdrop Creative Canvas and I will be creating a card using the stamps from my stash. I am stamping the canvas using the VersaFine Clear and designing the arches using the stamp. Now I am taking different colors of shades to color the design. I am using orange to color the flowers and a tip of green to the leaves, yellow to give a shade, and I have also used brown to give a little shading to the arch on the canvas. Here I am coloring the other stamp using the same colors. Now using the wet brush, I am just spreading the color. Here are the fabulous dewdrops which I am using. First I have glued and now I am placing the dewdrops. These dewdrops will give an effect like lights over the arches. Here we are done with the canvas. Now I am adhering the canvas over the base of the card to form a card. Give a nice press. Now using a stamp, I am stamping a sentiment to go with the card. Here we are done with the card and this is the final look of the card. Here we are done with the card. I hope you enjoyed. Do visit the Robin Nest website for the lovely dewdrops. See you next time. Bye.